wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best laundry stain removers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Designed for use on colored fabrics, the soilove 2-pack will likely last you through years of messy dinners and playtimes in the grass or mud before you need a refill. Just soak any spots for a few minutes before adding the garment to the washing machine and watch it work. It can remove some types of paint and is effective even on set-in marks. However, it can't handle silicone-based lubricants. At number 9, a solid choice for anyone who's prone to messes and spills while they're away from home. The Tide to Go pen fits easily into a purse or pocket. Just give it a shake, remove the cap and dab away the wine or ketchup that somehow made it onto your shirt. It's great as a first course of action and good for car glove compartments, but note that it may discolor some fabrics. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Oxiclean Max Force boasts a formula that combines 5 solvents to ensure it'll get the toughest spots and marks out of your wardrobe. It can even eliminate underarm stains and yellowing from neat deodorants after just 30 minutes of soaking. It's suitable for hand washing too and won't fade colored fabrics. However, the scent is a bit strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry stain removers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a tried and true classic, Spray and Wash promises to get most marks and discoloration out of your clothing on the first try. It's safe to use in virtually any washing machine and with a broad range of water temperatures, so feel free to apply it liberally. It requires just 5 minutes of soaking and doesn't need to be scrubbed heavily, but note that it can't be used on washable silk. Moving up our list to number 6. The list of treatable substances printed on the side of each bottle of Gonzo Natural Magic includes coffee, pen ink, lipstick, sweat and urine. If that doesn't convince you of its efficacy, perhaps the recommendation to use it with protective gloves will. It's safe to use on carpets and furniture and not toxic to the environment. However, it requires some elbow grease to work. Halfway up our list at number 5. The formula in Zout spray contains 3 special enzymes, each of which is designed to remove a different set of substances. Amylase handles the starches from your lunch, while protease tackles the proteins in milk, blood and grass, and lipase takes care of grease. This one's great for messy eaters and soaks in quickly, but it's not effective on carpets. At number 4, whether you're trying to get wine out of a favorite shirt or pet urine from the carpet, biokleen bac-out is a versatile solution that's good to have on hand. It's eco-friendly and non-toxic, which makes it great if you or your family have chemical sensitivities. It contains no artificial fragrances or dyes and has a pleasing citrus smell. However, the sprayer top is flimsy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While most options in this category contain a long list of unpronounceable synthetic ingredients, Puracy Free and Clear does not. Its plant-based formula is made in the USA and not tested on animals, so you can feel good about using it. It works as well as chemical formulas and is available in inexpensive bulk refills. It's very tough on oil and grease. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry stain removers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, trusted by millions of customers since its introduction to the market in 1894, Purex fels-naptha comes in bar form, which makes it easy to apply directly to any soiled areas of your clothing before putting them in the wash. It works as a detergent too and removes poison ivy residue safely. It's good for use on cloth diapers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Oxiclean Versatile is an oxygen-based water-activated option that works in conjunction with your regular detergent to get garments spotless. Thanks to its bubbling formula, it's capable of breaking down and decolorizing set-in marks after just a few hours of soaking. It can also clean patio furniture and freshens trash cans. It's safe for all colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry stain removers, or simply click beneath this video.